This video explains how to buy shares of Preformed Line Products Company, a manufacturer of utility and telecommunications hardware. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PLPC, and this content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PLPC. Then select the Preformed Line Products Company listing from the results. Make sure the listing matches the NASDAQ PLPC symbol. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart and confirm it is the correct Preformed Line Products Company listing. Review the basic company information before proceeding. To invest, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for the next session. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the trade. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and a link to the eToro example is available in the description for reference.